Hello class, and welcome to chapters 28 and chapters 29 of The Siege. So we have at the top of this video a picture of the cemetery, and in chapter 28 we learn it has been about a week since Anna's father has passed away. It's taken him a long time to die. If you think he was injured way back in about chapter 10, fighting the Germans, it's taken him a very long time to pass away. So they have not taken his body to the cemetery yet. And Anna is disappointed that her father died so close to the end of the month, as they cannot renew his ration card. And Marina asks Anna to draw a sketch of her father. So this sort of, in a way, is a shadow, or I don't know, a mirror perhaps, on the beginning of the book, where Anna's father had asked Anna to draw a picture of Marina. In chapter 29, Marina gives Anna the jars of jam hidden inside Vera's boots. Now there's a lot of symbolism there, isn't there? Because we might remember that Marina was in love with Mikhail, but Mikhail for a very long time was married to Vera. And throughout the novel, Anna has had to build a relationship with Marina. And so the fact that the jars are hidden in Vera's boots is great symbolism. It really symbolizes how Marina has sort of become a substitute mother to Anna. She has given Marina has given Anna lots of wisdom, and she's helping Anna right at the end. Anna is impressed with Marina's actions. How has Marina done it? How has she had the strength to hold these back? So that's a rhetorical question. You might see a picture of my jam jar at the top of the video. There's a comment there that you could get drunk on such sweetness. Now, obviously, there's no alcohol inside of this jam. It's just normal jam. However, there is a metaphor which compares the jam to alcohol. And in this chapter 29, Andrei is, of course, a medical student who's been living in Anna's apartment. And he notices that Marina is suffering from starvation and is therefore not hungry. So one of the ironic things about starvation is you get to a stage where you no longer feel hungry, you no longer feel like eating. So what this means, it means that Marina is on her way out. She's going to pass away soon. In chapter 29, this idea that Vasya is a truck driver. So he is coming over Lake Lagoda, I believe, which is the frozen lake, the sort of road of life, as it's been called, the way for supplies to come into the city of Leningrad. So his vehicle breaks down, and in order to start his vehicle, he wishes that he had some sort of hairpin. And this is a connection to his relationship with Anna, mentioned in an earlier chapter. I believe it was in chapter 7. So the author is quite clever that she sets things up really well. He hears Anna's voice as he dies. So Anna is not anywhere near him in a physical sense. Anna is in the city of Leningrad. But he thinks he hears Anna's voice. So I think that's really incredible how the author managed to do that. And the first time I read through the book, I missed that point. I think it would be good for you to go back and read part of chapter 7 and see if you can find any mention of Vasya there, because it will help to make chapter 29 much clearer to understand. So we're on the final chapter tomorrow, so we would have finished the book. Tomorrow's class will be Friday's class. And that's really great because when we come back next week, we can work on our essays. Thank you very much.